In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jobber with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your Jobber account connected to QuickBooks Online, so your invoices and payments can flow smoothly, helping you save time and reduce manual entry. First, open Jobber in your web browser. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage integrations. Once you land on your Jobber dashboard, you're ready to find the integration options. From the left-hand navigation, click Apps. This opens the marketplace where all available integrations live. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the apps option clearly. The marketplace loads with a search bar at the top, which makes it quick to find what you need. In the search bar, type QuickBooks. You'll see results for different QuickBooks products. Be sure to look for the listing that specifically says QuickBooks Online. That's the cloud-based version most businesses use, and it's the one Jobber integrates with directly. Selecting the correct listing here is important so the connection works as expected. Click the QuickBooks Online listing to open its details page. Here you can review what the integration does, what data moves between systems, and any permissions the connection will request. It's a good moment to confirm you're in the right region and that the app is the official QuickBooks Online integration for Jobber. If anything looks unfamiliar, take a second to read the overview so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready, select the option to add QuickBooks. Jobber will guide you through a secure connection flow. A new window may prompt you to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and choose the specific company file you want to connect. Grant the requested permissions so Jobber can create and update records like invoices and payments on your behalf. This authorization is standard and required for the two systems to communicate. After you approve the connection, Jobber will complete the setup and return you to the integration page with a confirmation. You may see a brief loading period while the first sync initializes. That's normal. Keep the browser tab open and avoid refreshing until Jobber shows that the connection is active. If the setup presents optional configuration prompts, review them carefully and stick with recommended defaults unless you have explicit accounting preferences. That's it. You went to Jobber, opened apps, searched for QuickBooks, chose QuickBooks Online, and added the integration. You're all set to streamline your workflow with Jobber and QuickBooks working together.